Let me mull it over, and I'll talk with John Flynn as well, and we can mull it over. It's good to be on the radar. And then we'll kind of take it from there. So, very positive.
A little more.
Paul, thank you, Paul, for setting this up. Like anything, right? Self-serving, right? If I'm the one doing it, I want to make sure. What's the door? Everyone up, doing right. Yeah, good.
Dante de Blasio graduates from high school today. His parents will be there. In fact, Mayor de Blasio will deliver some remarks at the Brooklyn Technical High School commencement. It will be held at Barclays Center in the fall. Dante wants to see. Repealing Obamacare and what that would mean for the economy after this. With this up, well, no, it's that workers' comp. It's insurance that pays employees that can't work because they get injured while working. Insurance companies don't want to pay workers' comp. Or are you supposed to win? The legal team at Sherman Fetterman Sandler and McIntyre will stand up to insurance companies and try to weasel out of paying workers' comp. No upfront fees will never give any money to the client throughout the legal process. They strictly go after the insurance company to make sure you get weekly pay and all your medical bills are paid. Don't let insurance companies hold on to your money. Call the workers' comp hotline now. 866-697-4983. Meet with an attorney. Call the workers' comp hotline now. 866-697-4983. Injured on the job? Can't get workers' comp? The legal team at Sherman Fetterman Sandler and McIntyre stand up to insurance companies that try to weasel out of paying workers' comp. Call the workers' comp hotline now. 866-697-4983. Deprived of your workers' comp? NYCompLaw.com can help. Now this message for great deals on Ford, cars, trucks, SUVs, and crossovers. Visit TriStateFord.com. Places by 1209. The Congressional Budget Office has been looking at what would happen if Obamacare were repealed. It says deficits would go up, but economic activity would increase by... Here, I couldn't care.
Parkway, Grand Central heading eastbound from the fairgrounds in through Q with construction work on the ramp to the Van Wyck. I don't see any problems in Nassau County on the northern state, the southern state, or the LIE. The southern state does have some westbound road work at Peninsula Boulevard, so just some very slight delays there. No tie-ups in Connecticut, just watch for repairs on the Merritt